guys, what's up? It's me. I'm back. So today I'm gonna be giving you a tutorial on this look right here. If you want to learn how to do this, just keep watching. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done. First thing we're gonna do is we are going to prime the lids. I'm using Urban Decay Primer Potion. Okay, now that Primer Potion is blended and I look like a caveman, I'm going to be taking a huge blending brush and I'm going to be going in first with Dream Street. This is Kathleen Light's collab with ColourPop. It's so good. Like, so good. Okay, so I blended Stardust out from Dream Street all over my transition. I'm using the primer potion obviously, but if you don't have a eyelid primer, you can use a concealer. Now I'm going to be going into the shade Sweet Dreams from the Dream Street palette. It is like the pink one right here, and I'm going to be kind of just blending that out right under the first transition color. Okay, so now that I look crazy, I'm gonna be taking the ColourPop My Little Pony palette. Say what you want about this palette because it's really corny, but the shadows in here are really good, and the shimmers in here, are you kidding? They're so good. Like, yeah! In the shade Sky Dancer, it's like a plum pinky kind of color, and really focusing that on the outer edge, not going into the transition part. So I have all the pink blended out. What just happened? Now let's take 10 minutes to find the brush that I need. Okay, so we're going to be doing a halo eye, and I'll explain if you don't know what that is, but just watch. So I'm going to be taking a small detail brush, and I'm going to be taking the primer potion or concealer. Okay, so with a little bit of primer potion or concealer on the brush, you go into the center of your eyelid, right on the lash line, and draw a line, and then look up. So I don't know if you can see, it leaves a little mark there. So putting a little bit of the primer or concealer on the back of your hand or wherever, put it anywhere, you're gonna basically just draw, like following your eyeball shape. Like you'll be able to feel your eyeball. That sounds so weird, but if you do it, you'll get it. Okay, so once you do your little line, connect the bottom line and the top line, and then kind of just blow it out a little bit on the sides so it looks a little more full. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the NYX glitter glue, and again put that on the back of your hand, and then wherever we just drew onto this halo, we're going to go over it in glitter glue. Okay, so I went over where I put concealer with glitter glue, and I think that just perfects the lines and makes it really tacky. So now I'm going to be going into the shade Retrograde. I'm just going to be packing that on. So I'm just going to be placing the glitter liner on the top of the halo eye, just so it really pops. That's the finished eye. I'm going to do the other side and come right back. I put foundation on and I put concealer on. I used the Makeup Revolution foundation and the Makeup Revolution concealer. So now I'm just setting my face with the Maybelline powder in the shade 01 loose setting powder. So story time. Antonio Garza, Jesus Christ, King of YouTube, Queen of YouTube, God of YouTube. So Antonio hit 1 million recently. I think it was like about a week ago. So in honor of that, I drew this for Antonio. Because I'm a very huge fan, and he liked it, as you can see here. Now that it looks psycho, you know it's time to bronze. I found my blush brush, and I'm gonna be taking Dandelion from Benefit, and I'm just gonna like. Yes! I'm highlighting my inner corner with Flexitarian from ColourPop. ColourPop is one of the best brands ever. Look at that! Are you kidding? They're so good. Like, their makeup is so good, and it's so not expensive. Like, this is something I would pay a lot of money for, but I actually just paid $8. So, like, please yourself. I was literally just raving about how good Flexitarian is, and then I broke it. Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking a dense highlighting brush and Flexitarian. You want to use a dense brush because it's a cream-ish. I took the pink shade from the Dream Street palette and just went under my eye. So I just finished off the look by putting on some lashes. This is Smoky Muse by House of Lashes, my favorite. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of the Fenty gloss because it's my favorite. And yeah, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. It honestly means the world. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow all my social medias. I love you the most, and
all my dreams